Full-screen plugins in Amplenote enable pretty much endless possibilities, and today we're going to look into a plugin called Voice Notes. When I don't have access to my laptop or my desktop, my favorite way of capturing new ideas is with Voice Notes. In my mobile app, I can swipe right and choose Voice Notes from the sidebar to immediately start recording my thoughts. I'm going to capture some voice notes and then we'll get back to the demo. My friend just invited me to... Alright, that should do it. After I stop the recording, the plugin will process the audio and it will convert it into a new note for me to review later. First of all, I get a transcript of everything I said in my recording. Then I get a bullet list summary. Sometimes my recordings are 10 minutes long and not entirely coherent, so this comes in super handy. And finally, at the end, I get a list of tasks that the AI robot identified in my notes. And the best thing about this to-do list is that the plugin will try its best to guess which of these tasks have start dates or deadlines, and which tasks are important or urgent. Also, if you are somewhat explicit about it in your voice notes, the plugin will try to figure out task dependencies. That is there a task that you can only do after another task is complete? And for an extra tip, Amplenote has another cool plugin that lets you visualize your tasks. If I open skill trees from this note, I can immediately see a graph of my tasks. When a task blocks another task, there is an arrow between them on this graph. I can even draw new arrows if I wanted to. But also in this plugin, I can switch to Eisenhower mode. This one is a slightly different view of my to-do list, where I have my urgent and important tasks in the top left, my important tasks in the top right, my urgent tasks in the bottom left, and tasks that are neither urgent nor important are in the bottom right. I've found this method great for untangling a really complicated week, where I have a lot of tasks on my plate, but it's not clear what I should start with. If all of this sounds cool to you, let me quickly show you how to set it up. Step number 1 is to create an account with OpenAI if you haven't already, and to generate your own API key. Check the description box for the link you need to visit to do that. Step number 2, install the Voice Notes plugin by visiting the link in the description. Step number 3, on the resulting page, configure this plugin with your own OpenAI key that you just got at step number 1. Step number 4, the first time you use the plugin on a certain device, you have to invoke it using Quick Open. Then it will be permanently available in the sidebar on that device.